Plated Traditions channel. Welcome to the Plated Traditions channel with your host Kendra Moses.
Hello and welcome to the Plated Traditions channel. My name is Kendra Moses, and as always, with our resident chef Kai off camera, you're going to be seeing some spices and hearing their scientific or genetic phrase and their Latin names.
What's that? What's that Latin? Played in tradition. I said, played in tradition. What's that Latin? Played in tradition. What's that Latin? Can you tell me? What's that Latin?
Hello and welcome to a brand new installment of Plated Traditions called What's That Latin? Yes, what's that Latin? We're going to show you a variety of herbs and spices, and it'll be your job to tell us what's that Latin. So we're going to show you a quick clip, a quick pick of any herb or spice, and we're going to show you the Latin for it. So welcome to a brand new Plated Traditions installment of What's That Latin?
What's that?
I said,
What's that? What's that? Say plated traditions. What's that Latin? What's that Latin? Plated traditions. What's that Latin? Can you tell me? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Say, plated traditions. What's that Latin? What's that? What's that? Plated traditions. What's that Latin? Can you get me? What's that? What's that? Plated traditions. What's that Latin? Can you tell me? What's that? What's that?
Join us next time for our next installment of What's That Latin?
What's that? What's that? What's that?
Thank you again for joining us for another week. We hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.